Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we have the MT232 out here, and right now it's got the backhoe on it, but right now I don't need the backhoe. So I've already done a video on how to take the backhoe off whenever we had to test MT232 here, but I did it on a nice flat garage floor. So today I'm just going to do something different. I'm running out of garage space, so we're going to leave the backhoe right here because I need the 3-point hitch put on. So we're going to go ahead and take this off right here on this gravel little spot here. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to take this pin out. I'm going to have to move that to get the main boom pin out. And then there's 2 pins on the outriggers. Okay, so get this pin. I don't know if I can get that out either. We'll have to start it up, but for now I just want to get these pins out. Alright, so the tractor's on. I'm going to lift up this outrigger. Okay, lift that up. Now I can spin that around and get that pin out. Okay, then we can take this pin out, and then they made a spot. Let me show you, let me move you here. They made a spot right here to put those pins. Let me get the other one. Lift that one up. And comes out easy. Stick it down in there, that other hole. Then I'll put these on the bottom of the pins so I don't lose them. Okay. Now we got that done. I'm going to raise up the boom. Should be. No, wrong one. Should be that one. There we go. And then we'll push this one. Put that down. Stick that right there. Okay, now I'm going to move this out. Set that down. Got some water in there. I'm going to try to get that flat, the bucket, just like that. Now I'll put the outriggers down and get some pressure. It's moving slow because I got the tractor idling. Okay, get some pressure. Okay, that's good. Now we can go onto the 4-point mount. Now right up here on top, you got these pins. They need to spin. Okay, and it's still not free, so I'm going to raise this outrigger a little bit more. There, it was the actual backhoe. Okay, so this pin's out. We'll set that right there for now. Okay, let's get this other one. Spin that and see it's free. That's good. Both sides are free at the same time. That's good. So now we're unhooked at the top. Now we need to get up out of the hooks on the bottom. Okay, so right there is your pin, and it sits down into a hook. So we need to raise this bottom up. I'll show you how to do that. Now hopefully you can see this at the same time. I'm going to raise the boom. Okay, that didn't work. So we're going to raise the outriggers a little bit more. Okay, raise the boom. Okay, still nothing yet. There it popped out. So I had to mess with the bucket a little bit. So those are up out of there. Let me show you. So I just had to keep messing with the boom, and then eventually it just popped right out of there. Let me get this, got a weed right here. see. See that? It came up out of that hook. And I think I'm clear on both sides. Maybe we can see better on the other side. Get up underneath. See how it came up out of that hook? This side over here needs up a little bit more. So we're gonna pull on this. Oh, I set it down in there. Okay. I think they're both up out of there. Yep. Yeah, that's okay. So that's completely up out of there. So now all we got to do is pull forward a little bit and get away from it, and then we'll unhook our hose. Okay, so there you have it. It's unhooked, and now all we gotta do is just unhook this hose, just like that, and then down here unhook this hose, and then hook these ones back together. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And now we're completely unhooked. All right, so obviously I made that video quite a while ago. That was actually right after this tractor was delivered last June, and I needed to take the backhoe off. And if you noticed in the last clip, the lifting arms here dropped, and that's because these adjustable arms, the stabilizer arms, they weren't on there yet. So after I disconnected from the backhoe, the only thing I had to do was put on this right here on both sides, and then the side stabilizer arms on both sides. So it's pretty simple to do, and the 4-point mounting system on this backhoe is a whole lot stronger than the old style that they had where the frame went underneath, and that's why they went to that. So I hope this video helped you out, and whenever we put the backhoe back on, I'll show that. But until next time, everybody, thanks for watching. Hey friends, did you enjoy that last video? If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time we post a video. And while you're there, be sure to check out our playlist and our store for some awesome farmhouse merch. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.